someone's still talking. My goodness, she woke up talking, she went to sleep talking, she was very talking.
Are you okay? Don't touch the stuff, okay? Okay. Yeah, you got gauze in your mouth. You got gauze in your mouth. What happened? I know.
It's okay. Let me use this one on your finger. That other one didn't read well.
You're okay.
My hands are still cold.
What's your name?
Janice. I talked to you yesterday on the phone. Yeah, remember when I called yesterday afternoon? This is going to squeeze again and then it won't do it again until we come back.
Well, that's because they've had the pool on, remember? You're okay. You're going to get medicine when we leave, okay? You're okay. Huh? Cold? Cool? Cool? Oh.
You are cool.
Because you are? What? I don't know. Try not to talk, though. You're not. You okay, babe? Okay. I know your teeth hurt. You get it? You did it. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Don't. Yeah. All right. Don't. Okay. Bite down. Well, don't bite down hard. Just keep the gauze. The doctor? Well, he had to go do another patient. He's got lots of teeth to pull today. You're amazing. Oh, how long? It wasn't long at all. Well, don't, because you got medicine. It's because they took your teeth out. You're gonna throw up? You're fucked up. Oh, yes, you are. I know. I know. See, it was like you went to... Yeah. Yeah. You feel funny? Well, because you got a lot of drugs in you. I know. Hi. So what do you want me to do? Well, don't. I know. You're fine. Yeah. It's like you go to sleep and you wake up and it's done, huh? You're breathing, yeah. Yeah? You're breathing, you made it through. Huh? You're swallowing blood?
Yeah.
I don't know. As long as you keep the... They will. They have to let the anesthesia wear off a little bit, though. I know. Alright. Can I see if they can let Casey come back? Casey? She's in the waiting room. She's in the waiting room. But I'm going to go see if they'll let her come back to recovery, okay?
Okay.